Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a construction paper bouquet. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a variety of colorful construction paper for your beautiful blooms and some green paper for the stems and leaves. Grab a pair of scissors, a pencil for marking, and a reliable glue stick or liquid glue. A ruler will also be very helpful for achieving precise, straight cuts, ensuring your bouquet looks neat and professional. Now, let's craft our lovely paper flowers. Begin by cutting strips of colorful construction paper, approximately 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Fold each strip in half lengthwise, then carefully cut small fringes along the folded edge, stopping about 1/4 inch from the unfolded side. Next, tightly roll the fringe strip from one end to form a flower. Finally, secure the base of your rolled flower with a small amount of glue to keep its shape. With your flowers ready, it's time to add the stems and leaves. Cut thin strips of green construction paper, roughly 8 inches long, to serve as your flower stems. Apply a small amount of glue to one end of a green strip and attach it firmly to the back base of each flower. Next, cut out simple, elegant leaf shapes from your green paper. Glue 2 or 3 leaves onto each stem, positioning them about halfway down for a natural look. Finally, let's arrange your beautiful paper bouquet. Gather all your completed flowers, holding them together at the stems. Experiment with different placements until you achieve a pleasing, natural-looking cluster. If necessary, trim the stem lengths to ensure a uniform and tidy appearance. To finish, securely tie the entire bouquet together with a decorative ribbon or a coordinating strip of construction paper, creating a lovely handmade gift or decoration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.